Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zwift Companion to Zwift. First, ensure both your Zwift game and the Companion app are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network for seamless communication. Next, download the free Zwift Companion app from your mobile device's App Store, whether it's an Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, simply log in to the Companion app using your existing Zwift account credentials. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for an enhanced Zwift experience. Once your Companion app is ready, open the Zwift game on your computer, Apple TV, or other streaming device. Simultaneously, launch the Zwift Companion app on your mobile phone or tablet. The Companion app is designed to automatically detect any active Zwift sessions nearby, typically within a range of several feet. You will then see a list of available sessions. Simply select your active Zwift game from this list to establish the connection. It's a quick and intuitive process. With your Companion app connected, you gain powerful control and insights during your ride. You can view real-time ride data, including your speed, power output, and heart rate, all at a glance. Interact with other riders by sending quick ride-ons or typing messages directly from your phone. The app also allows you to control in-game actions, such as making turns at intersections or selecting different routes. Furthermore, you can access event details and join group rides with just a few taps, enhancing your social experience. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, double-check that both your Zwift game and the Companion app are indeed on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is the most common cause of problems. If that doesn't work, try restarting both the Zwift game and the Companion app. Also, ensure you have the latest versions of both the game and the app installed. Finally, confirm that no VPN or firewall settings are inadvertently blocking the connection between your devices. These steps usually resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.